back to another video, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining one of the best forex trading strategies out there that you can use to trade the financial markets. I'm recording this video in the morning. That's why my voice is so loud. So it's the concept of order block and fair value gap. Let's go on Google. What is an order block for forex trading? So order block refers to a specific price area where large market participants, such as institutions, have previously placed significant buy or sell orders. That's what it means. That's like the area where markets will be looking to go to activate orders. Like somewhere like this. Take an example. This one. There's an order block. Yeah. Price taps into the order block and it falls down. This one is not XAU USD. Okay, so let me bring up like this. So it's like, let's say it's in an uptrend. Price pushes up, traces, pushes up, retraces, pushes up again, and retraces. In the market sense, right here, this particular point here will be your break of structure. Yeah. And the same thing as break of structure. Now, in this break of structure, there will be a price, the order block somewhere here with a fair value gap here. Note, if you see an order block without a fair value gap, it might hold, but it will not be as effective as the one with fair value gap. Then here, let's say there's a fair value gap right here. So then there's a fair value gap here. So the concept is that price will come into this one and push back up. That's just the concept behind it. Then let me show you guys an example on the live chart. It's trades I took on SMC. I trade SMC and price action. My price action is only on GU, GBP USD. So let me look for one. That one I got stopped out there. My stop loss was too tight. Okay, like this one now, for example. Look at this trade. It hits take profits. Let me clear this out. You guys understand what I'm saying about that. Like, yeah, this is an impulsive move up. Impulsive move to the upside. Now, the thing I figured out about order blocks is that sometimes we agree, yes, that is this, they say the last down candle before the impulsive move up. If the green candle, which is this, covers like the last red candle, I consider this as an order block here because there's a fair value gap right here from here to this point here. There's a fair value gap there. So it will be like this from here to this down here. That is our order block. That's the order block here. Order block. Then Here is the fair value gap from here to here. The imbalance, so I call it fair value gap. Other people call it imbalance, or any word you have for anyone you use and know it. So boom, like that. I'll change the color of this chart. Wait, let me change the color. Black and green. Okay, let's use black and green. So the fair value gap is up here. Facing. Now price came into it, tapped our other block here. It's the price taps the other block there. So this is where we would have entered for the buy. We would have set our limits there. Then our stops just a few pips below. And this is gold. And gold is very volatile. Imagine getting a 50 pip stop loss on gold. And your target will now be the equal highs that is here. The equal levels here. Anyhow you want to draw it, whether you use box like this, something like this, then you target there, or you just line it up like this, or like this, and you target there. Either way, see, that is, we risk 50 pips to catch 682. This was this previous week, and the thing corresponds so much with everything. Like, let me turn on the season. So we got this other block right at Tokyo session. We got the other block there. The other block tapped in right as New York is about to open. And gold moves very well during New York session. You see, skipped London session. Gold moves London session, but it's not as much as it moves during New York session. If you see, market did not tap into it any in between these two sessions. It tapped into it exactly during the New York session and pushed up. So let me look for one more example. So like this one, this is an example of a down move here. Right. I got stopped out on this trade though. So if you guys can see, there's an impulsive move here. Like this. Then if the move, see right here, move, that is the other block. Now there's a fair value gap here around that side. So right here, this thing, fair value gap right there. So the other block, which is this here, so we label it other block and label here fair value gap right here. Not all setup is 100, not all trading strategies is 100%. For you to achieve 100% or even close to 100% in trading, it's not only down to technical analysis. There are fundamental analysis like news events. You need to know how to trade with news. You need risk management. You need psychology. So it's not 100% on analysis. Like if you see the loss we took on this gold here, we recovered it on this trade. And where is it? This one, this particular one. Just need to know that market will always present us with an opportunity. So if you see here, there was a break of structure. This other block was gotten from the break of structure. Now, market gave us that break of structure, tapped into the other block. Here we would have gotten stopped out because I like to keep a tight stop loss, not like very tight, but like a reasonably tight stop loss. I probably would have done 200 pips soon. Either way, I would have gotten stopped out soon. I think I would have tightened somewhere here. This would have been the setup we would have been looking for here. I would target here. Here you guys see. Took us out and still went in our initial direction, the intended direction. That's the concept behind, that's the concept behind order block and fair value gap trading strategy. Please guys, you guys should come and watch other videos. I explain a lot on my YouTube channel. Like I did a video on psychological levels and the rest. You guys should come subscribe to this. Psych levels just came out like yesterday. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you, guys. See you guys later. Or I'll probably do a video in depth about this order block and fair value gap. Thank you, guys.